Hey, can we be brutally honest with each other? Winter sucks. It's terrible. Each and every year, old man winter comes to town, and what does he do? He takes your savings for the entire year. He takes these crews and these painters and these crew leaders and these staff members that you have meticulously assembled throughout the year, and he scatters them to the wind, putting them in the arms of your competitors, Home Depot, and wherever else they can get winter work. Worst of all, it takes your standard of living and it puts it into the bargain basement. You have to tell your spouse, your kids, your grandkids, your friends, we can't do that. Not only can we not do that, we can't do that for a few months. These are huge, gigantic problems, but they've been solved hundreds of times. And I solved them in my own $1 million painting business, and I want to share these strategies with you. I'm Brandon Lewis with the Academy for Professional Painting Contractors, and you've seen my work in APC Magazine with PDCA, Blogging Painters Magazines, other publications. And one thing that people are always asking me is, Brandon, how do I make winter less harmful? How do I make winter more like spring and summer in my painting business? And I'm here to give you the exact strategies that I teach other painters, other owners to use, and the exact same strategies I use with a lot of improvement in my own very successful painting business that I sold for top dollar. So, 3 big, huge tools that we're going to give you for free. Number 1, I'm going to give you a written report and 2 audio CDs on the 5 most powerful winter marketing strategies I know of. We're going to go into detail. I'm going to break them apart bit by bit, and you're going to have a mountain of information that you can use to immediately apply to your painting business to make this winter your most successful ever, and to put in structures and to put in systems so that when the spring repaint rush comes, you are prepared to maximize its value. It only comes once a year. As a special bonus, we're going to give you 2 additional tools that you can immediately use. One is a video training series that I did specifically for winter marketing. Like I said, we're going to give you lots of value here. A specific video training on winter marketing. If you got problems with your painting business during the winter and keeping the profits and the cash flowing, you got to watch this video training. Number 3, if you're a listener, I recorded a special and completely different podcast specifically about winter marketing. Now, if you have issues with your painting business in the winter, and if I have just offered to give you via the U.S. Postal Service a written report, 2 CDs, a video training series, and a podcast on winter marketing, and you say, no thanks, I'm just going to continue to suffer, let me tell you, that's crazy talk. Let me help you with these free tools and strategies, just like I've helped hundreds of other painting contractors, just like I've done for countless other owners and in my own painting business. Click on the button on this screen, request these free winter marketing resources, and let's get started today. The longer you wait, the worse it will be on your savings, your cash flow, and your crews. Request this information today. Let us help you jumpstart your painting business this winter. Thanks so much. Request the info right now.